Good morning, amigos.
Morning! Good morning!
Another day,
Another pound!
welcome back to the channel. Tony's on the cutting out of the kitchen. Rubes is finishing off. Yeah, he's busy polishing there. And we got another one on the machine, ready to cut and install next week. So that's sort of today's plan. Get our stuff ready for next week. Joe is always eating. Always food is life. That's looking nice, eh? This is our terrazzo for the vanities that we manufacturing for the lakes. We're busy with
The vanity.
changing the bottom of the vanity. The client wanted a flat bottom. We recommended not making a flat bottom. Now we're replacing it with an envelope bottom. We've actually just loaded the stone from Constantino. It's a free issue stone. It's for one of the showrooms that they asked us to cut and process it for them and install it next week. After you snooze, you lose. Guess who came this week? The rest of the crew. Got the full gang, yeah. After the snooze, you lose. Paulinho!
Check the fire's going. Got all the goods, the sun's out. Soon will bring us the rain.
Definitely organized.
Yes, potato salad and cold and
Epa, I hope that's not the chicken we're planning on selling at the Shashko. Is the chicken supposed to blend in with the barbecue?
like Paulie said he was in Charles Grill.
See it.
Close it.
No, we don't. You guys,
That's it.
Marble Design Studio. What a team, champions. Cheers, Supermark.
The Marble team,
The Marble team. Iron Man. Beast. Slash Smurf. Batman. The Joker. Superman. Fuck knows this other man. Cameraman. Oh, obviously Batman was trying. Oh, the Beast. Oh, no, Beast. Superman. Oh, pa, chicken and beef.
Oh yeah.
Oh. There goes another Saturday. We had a great time. We got that Abu Dhabi island ready. I definitely know we're installing it on Monday. We had a nice little barbecue or a braai, for those who know what a braai is. The guys were happy. And please, don't you forget to press the like button, the subscribe button if you like the content, and if you don't, then don't. press any of those buttons, which is okay. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers. Be strong.